unnatural activity that disrupts public order, peace, and national integrity is referred to as terrorism. A person, usually a member of a group who advocates terrorism, is known as terrorist. People turn to terrorism for different reasons. Some are lack of education, poverty, angry with government, while others are driven by strong beliefs, can also push people towards terrorism. Terrorism harms everyone. It makes people unsafe and causes long-term emotional pain. Giving better education, job opportunities, promoting peace. By doing this, we can create a safer world without violence. To stop terrorism, governments and people must work together. In conclusion, I would like to emphasize one point. Do not forget we are human beings. So, we must have humanity which separates us from animals. Just remember one thing. No matter how great you are,
You have to die.
one day. So, before you die, if possible, it's wonderful to do good for others, but try not to cause any harm, because service to mankind is service to God.